Hi everyone, in this video I will teach you how to get an AI bot on Snapchat. And before we proceed, I'm going to explain what is an AI bot. It is a experimental friendly chatbot, and it is designed to be a personal sidekick to each Snapchatter who chats with it. And the current AI bot is built with the latest ChatGPT. So basically speaking, an AI bot is an artificial intelligence that you can have a conversation with. No matter questions you ask, it will answer. It is somehow like your virtual friend. And now I'm going to teach you how to get one. For the first step, we're going to check on the Play Store. We're going to open it. And once here, we're going to tap on the search box and search for Snapchat. And once you're here on the screen, you're going to tap again and check whether the Snapchat is currently up to the latest version. And as you can see, the button is showing as open and not update. Therefore, our Snapchat is currently updated. And once you've checked that, we're going to go back home and open Snapchat. And once here, you're going to see an icon on the top left of your screen that goes to your profile. We're going to tap it. And these settings will be presented to you. And in this settings, you're going to tap on the Snapchat Plus. So why are we here? Snapchat Plus is a subscribable feature of Snapchat that gives you exclusive, experimental, and pre-released features. And once you tap on Learn More, and once it's loaded, you're going to be presented with this screen. And just to explain, Snapchat Plus again is a subscribable feature of Snapchat that gives you this exclusive features. And on the bottom of the list, you will be seeing My AI. So basically speaking, you're gonna have to subscribe to Snapchat Plus to gain access to an AI bot. And as you can see, when you go back, you will see the subscribe button. Sadly, subscribing is currently not available. I think it's in my country. That's why subscribing is not available right now. But according to research, Snapchat Plus costs $3.99 per month. But there are deals such as $21.99 for 6 months, or for a year subscription, it's gonna cost $39.99. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.